Alright, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly today. Anytime a new scam pops up or something's going on, I try to let you guys know as quickly as possible. And Cointelegraph just posted this. Alert. Zach XBT reports hundreds of wallets being drained across EVM's chains for under 2K each, with over 107K stolen so far, and the cost still unidentified. Okay, before I say what I want to say, I'm going to tell everyone you should go follow Zach XBT. Basically, anytime a big scam pops up, he's one of the first people to report it, shout it out. Follow him. It will help you keep your crypto safe long term, or at least give you a heads up if certain scams are popping up. Highly recommend it. In Cointelegraph, you should have added him to make it easier for people to follow. I'm just saying. Next, I know I'm going to sound like a broken record from so many other videos I posted, but if you're going to keep any real amount of crypto, when I say real amount of crypto, if you lose this amount of crypto, it would hurt you and your family financially. You should be keeping it on a cold storage wallet. It's the safest way to keep your crypto. Right now, we don't know what the cause of this particular wallet drain is, so maybe that wouldn't have helped. We'll see in a couple hours if I look like an idiot for saying this, but I believe if you are going to keep any real amount of money in crypto, keep it in cold storage. Just my opinion. There's so many good options out there. Ledger, Trezor, Tangem, EliPal, SafePal, like there's so many out there. Watch some reviews on some and then get yourself a cold storage wallet. All right, guys? With that being said, guys, try to keep your heads up. I know there's been so much negative news in the space. It seems like every day or every other day someone's getting hacked, the wallet's getting drained. It's starting to get overwhelming, but things will eventually turn around. Things will start to be more positive again in the space. We just got to hold strong as a community. All right, guys, with that being said, hopefully you guys are having a good start to your new year. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.